open the door.
1 second!
If you want what I'm offering, you need to be on it.
We're tracking a high-value target. I need you to take them into custody alive.
There isn't a country in the Western Hemisphere that doesn't have a bounty on the ghost's head. $10 million.
Are you telling me that plane is full of killers?
There you are.
What is going on? Who's killing who?
They have your photo. Who does? Everybody does.
Did we just put a paranoid psychopath in the mix?